Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your United Community Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open to your default browser and search United Community Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find United Community Online Banking Login. Just click here. You'll be redirected to the login portal. Just choose one option that fits you and enter your credentials. That includes your login ID and your password. In case you forget your login unlock, you can click here. If you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.